There. That one moving.
That one there?
Yeah, moving. It's an A380 Airbus.
Oh, one of the new big ones?
Yeah.
Double decker?
Yeah. We'll watch it when it comes from behind the building.
But all the way through, well, pretty much.
The one that's coming in. No, it's the one that's coming out now.
Should we get that one whole? That's better. Yeah.
When you see that next to some of these others, you need to see it next to another to kind of realise the size.
It doesn't look that long, does it?
Well, it has to fit within certain parameters of airports, doesn't it?
Well, yeah. Yeah, well, they've been extending runways and things.
You know, on the concept designs, they had where they put the fuselage next to each other, like side by side. So they'd have a dual fuselage instead of like a cylinder.
Oh, yeah.
Like elliptical.